got a call, and I was literally shivering. You know, I was aware of everything that people, do like this, but it was kind of half an hour. It was so terrible for me because he the way he started his conversation, that he got it confirmed on the laptop that I am from the immigration department. You can confirm the number flashing on your screen, and you go and check on your laptop now. So he was waiting for me to check it, and he made me check everything, authenticated. So he started the way. I mean, everything was well planned, and he was asking $3,000 at
Yeah.
that time. Otherwise, people will caught you. People will catch. In police, we are going to send police to your office, and you are going to be deployed to the immigration department. Kind of this thing.
And you will be thrown out of country, right? That's what they say, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And I know those calls, so I'm like, yeah, I want to go back to India. I don't want to stay here.
No, I was so desperate to stay there.
I don't get apprehensive or something, because I know those are Indian guys who are calling. So I'm like, okay, that's a great news. Can you send cops? I want to go back to India. And they know that.
And they mask everything, the entire number. When I denied paying at that time, so the number 911, the number, it was flashing on my screen, the call I was receiving from 911. I was a little, I mean, that was the first time I was I was facing such challenges. That is why I wasn't aware of this. So later on I became more
Yes.
aware.
And I love their.
Sakti, can you check on Dilip whether he is joining or not?
And I love their conviction, the way they are sincere, so sincere. And I'm like very polite. Yes, yes, yes. I understand. I didn't pay. I didn't pay. I didn't pay. And at the end of call, I was like, okay, I'm not going to pay. What will you do? You know? And that is where there all the anger and frustration will come. And I'm like, I'm not going to respond the way you are responding, because I'm a smart guy.
No doubt about it.
We should always be aware about cyber.
Ajay, did you?
That's why I wanted to bring.
I also got a call from such a person 1 or 2 years ago.
Sakti, are we still waiting for Dilip?
Yeah, I'm pinged him. He might be joining.
My goodness.
We will wait for one more minute. By 8:05 we can start.
That is what, guys. If you want to make some good friends, you have to be punctual.
Ashutosh has also not joined.
Without punctuality, it's difficult. In this arena or in this world, like everybody feels appreciative about their time. So that is something we should also learn probably.
So I guess now let's start the meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Good evening, everyone. I am Pallavi, your host for this meeting. It's my honor and privilege to welcome you all to India and America Personality Development Group. As for the benefit of new people who have joined today, in Saturday's segment, today's meeting is divided into three segments. First is the prepared speech segment, second is the table topic segment, and third is the evaluation segment. So let's begin with our prepared speech segment. Let me get to the today's agenda. Okay. Speaker one is Dilip, who has not joined now. And so now speaker two is myself only. So you all should put your hands together and welcome me. A very good evening to all of you. Before starting my presentation, I have a question for you. That have you ever been in a difficult or tense situation and suddenly you have started laughing? Or do you feel good or rejuvenated when you watch a comedy movie? You can answer in the form of yes or no.
Yes.
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 That's great. The topic for my today's presentation is laughter is the best medicine. It is indeed one of the best medicines in the world, and it is available free of cost. One of the best feelings in the world that brings so much cheer to our life is laughter. Whether it is a smile or a small giggle, it alters the atmosphere around us, and the people who are around us are started getting positive vibes. Laughter is independent of the language that one speaks, and it is common for all. Whether we don't know each other, we are meeting for the first time, but what we can share is a smile or a laughter. As adults, as children, we used to laugh 100 times a day. But as adults, we made our life so complicated, so serious. We are having different kind of stress in our life. It is professional stress, work stress, or personal stress. And stress is the main obstacle to laughter. And we have no idea how laughter actually help us. So as adults, we have all forget to laugh aloud. Laughter helps you to forget your resentments, the judgments, the doubts you have in your mind, the criticism. It increases resilience. The way we see the negative things. Suppose today I have missed my goals. What I did, I was lying on my bed whole day and I was watching some movies, some old photos. So rather than saying that I have wasted my whole day and regretting about it, we should be like, today I have not completed any of my goals, and I was lying on my bed whole day that I didn't even took bath. So you should try incorporating humor in your day-to-day life. Laughter also helps in strengthening our relationships. Shared laughter is one of the best technique to make the relationships free and active. It helps you in resolving the conflicts. It unites people during the difficult times. Thus, try to incorporate the laughter in your day to day life. It will help you to strengthen your relationships with your family, friends, and co workers. Next, I would like to highlight how laughter is actually beneficial to our health. Firstly, it lowers blood pressure, it reduces stress. A good hearty laugh relieves us from physical and mental stress and relaxed our body muscles for the next 45 minutes. According to a study, laughing for 10 to 15 minutes a day help us to reduce 40 calories in a day. So next time when you are going to miss your exercise or physical fitness session, try at least laughing rather than regretting on it. And next, I would like to tell you about some techniques or the steps by which you can bring more laughter in your life. Starting with the first thing, which is very important, that is smile. Smile often, whether you are going to your college, your office, your school. Try to wear a smile always. Smile at your watchman, your driver, or with among your co-workers with whom you are sharing your lift, and just see the effect of it on others face. When second point is like when you hear a laughter, just try to move towards it. Suppose in this meeting you got disconnected, and when you rejoined or reconnect this meeting, everybody was is laughing. You are hearing a lot of giggles over there. So rather than sitting idly and waiting others to finish, you should be like, what was the funniest thing you have shared and why everybody is laughing? So try to move you towards the people or the things where the people are having fun or they are laughing actually. Next important point is spend time with the fun loving, playful, and the positive people who laugh actually on their own failures, who laugh on themselves, who are positive about life. I have seen people who never smile. When you talk with them, they are like, you feel as if they are the most stressed or depressed people in the world. So just avoid those kind of people. Spend time with the positive people. Bring humor into your conversations. While having conversation with your friend, you should ask questions like, what is the funniest thing you have done in your life? What is the latest comedy movie you have watched? Or you can just think about, you can recall the incidents which you both have shared, which will bring a smile on your face. Last, you should count on your blessings. You should be thankful to God for all the things you actually have. Literally make a list. And by doing this, you will already start smiling. But the important point which we all must keep in our mind is there is a very thin line between laughter and mocking. We should avoid mocking. We should not mock on others because it is going to hurt their sentiments and ultimately people are going to feel bad. At last, but not the least, a day without a laughter is a day wasted. So I request all of you who have not laughed since morning, now you can laugh or at least have a smile on your face. Thank you. So I guess I have made everybody smile at least.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Uh, it is time for me to invite our next speaker, who is Hira, who is presenting the project 3. So everyone, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming Hira on stage. Welcome, Hira.
Thank you. Good evening to all of you. Hello, friends. Today, I am going to talk about someone who is always worshipable, respectable to us, whose sacrifices for us cannot be paid by any means. I think you all have guessed that whom about I am talking. Do all you guess? Anyone can answer?
Mom?
Mother.
Yes, please. About?
Mother.
Yeah,
Yeah.
mother.
Yeah, correct.
Mom.
Yeah, definitely. The divine word mother consists of 6 letters: M, O, T, H, E, and R. As per my opinion, every single letter has its own significance and virtue. M stands for motivator, O stands for obedient, T stands for teacher, E stands for enriched with love, and R stands for regulator of life. Mother is the best motivator in the world. It is the time of childhood when we start to speak our first letter and we are unable to speak there. At that time, mother is someone who encourages us, who motivates us that yes, you can speak this word, you can speak this word like this, and we were able to speak that after the motivation. Or we can remember the time when we put our feet first time on the earth. It is again mother when she encourages us and motivates us to put our feet on the earth and stand. Am I audible to all of you?
You are.
Yeah, thank you. So, in the family, mother is only one person who is most obedient. She is one who takes all the demand from younger or elder member of the family at proper time. Mother is the first teacher. Mother is the first teacher in the world. She teaches us every aspect of life, how to stand, how to read, how to eat, how to cook food, even how to build our career step by step. Mother is a good regulator of family also. She can regulate at every stage of life, at every tough situation or good situation. She can regulate the family as well as the life. She is enriched with full of love. She loves each and every member and tries to keep all of them happy. I would like to quote former President of United States of America, Mr. Abraham Lincoln, when he once said about his mother. I would like to quote him. Whatever I am or whatever I will be, I owe to my angel mother. He wanted to convey a message to us that whatever I am at this time, or maybe whatever I will be, there is one person who motivates me to come here. That is mother. So mother is someone who always keeps us happy, who always keeps us moving ahead. So mother is very important for us. We can say that mother is the director of our life. In many films and also in the social example, we have seen that a person having no mother or who had lost her mother, his or her mother at early childhood, they don't get proper direction and lost their path. They joined bad company and finally started crying. So we can say that mother is the director of life also. From our childhood till our last breath, this is the only name which we remember always. If we have a small headache, we remember mother. If we got some injury, we remember our mother. Why? Why so? Because she is the one who is always try to keep us happy. My time is over.
You have 1 more minute, Hira. You can go ahead.
You
No,
can
no, Ira.
1 minute and
Okay,
30
okay.
seconds you have, so no problem at all.
Okay, thank you. So we cannot pay our mother's sacrifices at any cost, at any time. We can do only one thing for her, that we should worship her for the whole life and respect her for the whole life. We should try to keep her happy and fulfill all her needs at the old stage. We have seen many times that some people take her mother to the old age home. That is a sin, as per my opinion. How can one forget the milk she has fed? How can one forget the sacrifices she has done for the baby? So this is not a good thing where one person took his mother to the old age home. And I strongly agree with one thing, that there should be a rule. There should be a there should be a rule which makes a strong evidence that no one should do this in future or any time. This could be a crime, and this could be a punishment offense also, so that everyone will think 100 times before putting her mother to old age home. I would like to conclude with a quote: "A mother's love, a mother's love is more beautiful than a fresh flower." Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for hearing.
Thank you. I have no idea about others, but I would like to give you a standing ovation. That is the I can do for your speech for today. Well done.
Yes, very done, Hira. You choose the topic which with whom everyone can emotionally get attached. You talked about how a mother motivates her child, obedience. She is a teacher, first teacher of our life. The love she gave us, it cannot be returned ever. She is a backbone of our family. She stays with us till our last breath. So there were the very good lines which you used in between. It was a very good and well prepared speech. So
Thank you.
moving towards our next segment. Before moving, there were the three evaluators today. They were Ajay, Ashutosh, and Shakti. So as Dilip is not present, I would like ask Shakti to be the evaluator for Hira. And now, because Dilip is also not present, so that brings us to the end of our prepared speech segment. And to conduct table topic, I would like to invite Nilesh, who is our table topic master for the day. Everyone, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming Nilesh on stage.
Thanks, Pallavi, and thanks everyone. So today I am going to present this table topic session, and what we do in table topic, it would be a random question to be asked to anyone in this group, and they have to give answer in 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so I would like to start with Shakti, the first question. So Shakti, you look like very motivated. So what gets you excited about life? What is your motivational factor? Shakti, are you there? You hear me well? Okay, I think others can hear me okay, right?
Yes.
All right.
I can.
Okay. So this question could be moved to other guy, Adarsh Raj.
Yes, Nilesh sir.
The question was, what gets you excited about life? What is the motivation for you in life?
I motivated. I very motivated anyone teach and learn the experience of his life, and the people who have success in which field which have he work, and he clarified his area, then he this is the very most important thing. I would like to care this point. then 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 my life then my life so give this i I take this point and more learn more great, and i will I will be prepare next day in my life here so beautiful. And I am very thankful for us which people who have give motivated, or I am very excited for these people. This is a very helpful in our my life. Thank you, sir.
Great, Adarsh. Thanks for sharing. All right. Moving to next candidate. I'll be asked. Ajay, are you saying something? Okay. So my next question would be for Ajay. So Ajay, what life lesson did you learn the hard way?
All
I
right.
mean, yeah, you can share this with the group and enlighten with your thought or life lesson.
All right. So if you ask me what life lesson I heard, learned the hard way, there are like three things which has made me like the person I'm today. I mean, from somebody who is very shy and laid back in the life to somebody who is at a driver's seat of life. So and it will be like a little bit less time for me to walk you through all the incidents. So I would like to just summarize one or two probably. One thing which I understand about life is you have to utilize all the opportunities. So they say that time is something which flies and you cannot get back the time. So that was something I learned very hard way, because when I was into the country, I was same India more like spending time with the people who were not supportive. And one day, one fine day, one incident happened, and that had changed my perspective about life. That hey, look, that time is something I should be caring, and I would be happy to walk you through that. So it was an interview at North Carolina, and I was in Kansas City, Missouri, and I have to fly back to North Carolina, which is probably 7 hours of flight journey. And I had interview the next day, and I was so tired, so I could not get the time to revise all the topics for interview. And at the end, I was not selected in the interview. So I felt that if I could have half an hour more at least, then I could have cracked that interview. And that time, if I'm not, if I was not getting selected in interview, that is the worst thing that could ever happen to me, because I was running out of money. So after that incident, I have decided that the time and the money, these are the two things I'm going to take care. I learned that when I had to sacrifice, when I have to struggle for the money in the country, initially where I didn't have a lot of money, and I was not able to crack some of interviews. So that is where I understood, like, I was somebody who never understood the importance of money. I used to spend like anything when I used to work in a corporate in India. So that has made me realize that money and time is something which I should be taking care of. And after that, I'm pretty good at it. Like, I understand both of them. So that is something I would like to encourage everybody to understand, that time is something you should not get, and at the same time, money as well. So try to live below your means, and utilize the time, as it will not come again. Thanks for giving me the topic.
Thanks, Ajay. And hopefully everybody must have got some takeaway from your message. Good and inspiring. Thanks. All right. So Shakti is back. I'm not gonna leave him without answering one question today. Okay, Shakti, can you hear me? Okay, I think we have some audio problem from Shakti's end. Okay. Moving to next candidate, I can ask one another question to anyone, right? Or are we done with table topic? How many questions are we supposed to ask?
You can go for three. How many you have asked? I think just
We have two. Yeah.
yeah, that was
Okay.
the last one.
Let's ask last question to Deepak Raj. So Deepak, who do you sometimes compare yourself to? Somebody you consider your role model, or you want to become like him? So who do you consider yourself to?
Repeat again.
So who is your role model? You picture somebody in your mind, and you follow to certain extent, and you would like to become like him. So somebody must be your role model in your life.
Uh, sure. I followed. I want to follow that people who succeed in life, and and also and also and also want to make. I'm not to copy the, but I am also want to make that people who success in life, and and also compare, suppose that I get suppose that we are doing anything, suppose that anyone for anyone take the fault in my any type of work. I so much eager to learn from that person who done that type of work in good manners. Thank you.
Great. Thanks, Deepak. So over to you, Pallavi. We are done with our table topic.
Oh, she's having connection issues. That's what she messaged. We can wait for 1 minute. We are good with timing today, so I'm happy.
Am I audible?
I can hear you really well.
Okay. So the table topic in this brings us to the end of the table topic segment. Now moving towards the next segment, which is evaluation portion of our meeting. So to provide evaluation of speaker number 2, that was me, I would like to invite our evaluator 2, who is
Pallavi,
Ajay.
Pallavi, just sorry to interrupt you. Just give me some time. You can invite Sakti. I still have to make some notes. So I would like to,
Sure.
yeah, sorry about that. I was like
Okay.
Viraj's speech, so I have to make a notes before I give you feedback.
Okay. So provide the evaluation of our speaker number 3, who is Hira, and the evaluator assigned is Shakti. So please, Shakti, I would like to invite you on the stage and give Hira the feedback.
So, here speech. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah,
Hello.
Shakti,
Yes.
go ahead.
Yeah. So I would like to say that Hira was outstanding today with his speech and the way he presented today, and it already showed that he prepared a lot on this speech. There were no uh, means he was able to deliver perfectly whatever he prepared. And second thing, important thing is the rate of speech of Hira was very good, and everything what he spoke was misunderstood by I hope everyone. And the best part of Hira's speech was that he articulated all the things in a very good way, and good thing when you present something. I would just like to recommend that one thing that Hira should have done to make that thing more interesting is that he should have used voice modulation. He was speaking in a single tone throughout the speech. So I would like to point out this thing that some voice modulation should be there, and some examples how a mother help him to achieve his goal, or some role model people who would have included the examples of the mother of army sacrificing things. Yes, so they are brave enough to send their children to their forces. So this type of related issues to make speech more interesting. Apart from that, his speech was very good, and he completed on his speech, delivered the speech on given. That is the best thing I would like to say, because I told that we should always respect the time of audience, and he has followed that. Just one thing that the voice modulation. We all are learning, and if some voice modulation should be there, then that presentation would have looked far better. What it was. So I want to say congratulate Hira for such an outstanding speech, and it was very clear. And his rate is of speech is also far better than most of the people here, and it has Hira has shown us an outstanding learning this journey. And means the way he started his speech until now. I think his project number is third project he is doing, and the way he has Sira.
Thank you, Shakti, for your valuable feedback for Hira. And I also agree with all the points. Hira, I am also that you are improving a lot, and your journey for the last 2 months or 1.5 months, I am looking, you are like others people like who are struggling here, they can learn from you that how you are working actually hard on it. You are preparing speech. I would like to tell everyone that he's sending his speech and he asks for feedback. He's always open to learning. So Hira, kudos, you are doing a very great job. Keep it up. And
Thank you so
within a
much.
few months, you are going to become a very good speaker.
Thank
And
you.
from the Shakti speech, your speech was also very good. And all those instances, yes, you should have included some incident from your childhood, that when you got beaten up, or some funny incidents from your childhood in your speech.
Nice.
Just kidding. Okay, so Ajay is taking, I guess, some more time. So there are some kind of announcements which I have to make, and only new persons, only Kundan is available. Hi Kundan, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
So Kundan, I want to know that I have asked you to read some blogs. Have you read some blogs, or you started reading?
Yes, yes, I read half of my topic. The topic was the self-image, your key to better life.
Okay. That is a part of the chapter you have assigned, or you have read from the Ajay Kumar's blog?
No, actually, I read from that PDF, PDF book that is handed in the group of communication.
Okay. That's fine. You are reading, and try to at least read 1 page, 2 page apart from the chapters you are getting assigned. So it is going to help you. And as Ajay asked that everybody should remember the vocabulary, nobody replied, but I am going to just cross check on this vocab part. So Adarsh, do you
Yes.
remember 5 words or any word you want to tell?
Hello,
Yeah, hello.
please repeat.
I'm saying that Ajay shares every day, he shares some word of the day. Okay, so do
Yes.
you remember any word? He also messaged that at least we should remember 5 words.
No, I not do this, and I sure I do this next day. I am doing.
Okay, and Deepak, do you remember?
I remember only 2 words. That is I think we know that bad is in 3 degrees, comparative and superlative. So I know only one, that is bad, and it is in comparative bad, worst, and superlative, worst. And the second is the what means deteriorate, means means a huge amount.
Okay, so technically you remember only one word, that the superlative degree and all. So Ajay shares every day, he's taking efforts and he shares one words every day. So at least you should learn 4, 5 words, okay, and try making sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and you all have already given your data to Ashutosh regarding the questions. So I request all of you to please send your email IDs to the group, so that I'll make I will upload it on a PDF Google Drive, so that everyone can see that. Okay, and we are also planning. YouTube link has already been shared to the group, so you can watch all our recordings over there. And for the next week, we are planning that we are going to transfer some speakers to Saturday so that everybody is getting the chance to speak. So we are going to divide those speakers on the basis of some factors which are not yet finalized. Then we are going to transfer some speakers to Saturday, and we are going to rate them on a basis of certain factors which we are going to
Hear you. Can everybody hear her?
I
Yes,
know, I know.
yes.
Uh,
Yes, Priya.
Yeah, hello.
yeah, we can hear you, Paul.
Yeah. Sorry, I am facing a lot of internet issue this day. Wi-Fi is not working. I don't know why. So I was telling that we are going to transfer some speakers to Saturday, and we are going to rate them on a basis of certain factors, which we are going to disclose probably before the next meeting. So everybody is
Right.
going to everybody is getting a chance to speak.
Mhm. Pallavi, sorry to interrupt you. Thanks for making all the announcement. I really appreciate it. So what I was planning is to give feedback for you, and then we can, kind of reinforce what our discussions were to this group, so that they will understand, our motto for this group, right? Are you there?
She having some internet
Yeah,
issue
yes,
actually.
yes.
Okay. All right. I can give feedback if you allow me to. Can you?
Yeah, please start.
All right. Laughter is the best medicine, and that is how I laugh loud all the time. Yeah, whether it is office or a home or somewhere, and I have a coworker. She was Minakshi. She's like, "Why you laugh all the time?" Thank you, Pallavi. What a wonderful speech and very captivating topic. Laughter is the best medicine. Well, as an evaluator, it's my duty to give you some constructive some feedback which will help you to understand why we are so grateful on your speech. And I think not to compare anybody's presentation today, but those two speakers were outstanding. Let me tell you guys, you both were outstanding today. Thanks for everything you do. But I will focus on my target speaker, right? Because I'm an evaluator for her. So Pallavi, I am going to talk about the things which I loved most about your speech, and then I will suggest you something that will make your speech really interesting for the next time. So I have five things for you, which you nailed it. I felt like that came across us very nicely. Number one, topic selection. As one of our presenter has mentioned, Sati Sagar, in the last speech, that when you have a presentation, your topic selection should be very appropriate. And I can feel that what a wonderful topic. Laughter is the best medicine. Very appropriate topic for this group. Kudos to you on that. Second and most important, and that was the purpose for this second one, your introduction. Like, you should be writing a good introduction, and I can see that your introduction was perfect. You started with a question, and that is the great one of the things to begin your presentation, to get involved your audience, right? When you ask question, they get an opportunity to speak. So that was again very well done, and kudos to you on that. Number three, speech organization. I feel that the way you organized your speech, you came up with a topic, laughter is the best medicine. And then you talked about having a smile and giggling and chuckling. And then you talked about the benefits of what laughter can provide, right? And then you gave us some technique. So I felt that speech organization was good. All the transitions were perfectly fine, right? And what a beautiful smile you have. Smile, your confidence, your conviction, your sincerity, your honesty. Those are the things which I loved really most about your presentation today. And then at the end, you wrapped up your speech with a technique to bring laughter, about having a smile and counting all the blessings. And trust me, guys, everybody has the problem. Even I have the problem, but I don't show all your problems. It's better to hide your problems within you and count all your blessings. So these were the things which went really, really well. But if I have to give you some feedback to do better next time, that would be to work on your introduction a little bit, right? I liked the way you started your conversation, but rather than greeting the audience, you could have started directly with the question. That is the feedback I have for other presenters as well, Hira. When you have such a great introduction, there is no need to greet your audience. We are here to greet. So that is the one thing I would like to say. And the second thing is when you organize your speech, so you compared laughter versus mocking, right? So I feel that this could have been done a little better at the starting itself, not at the end, because at the end you just want us to give the techniques. So those are the two things. And the third thing is like a little bit of pronunciation. Two words I could catch, my ears could catch is resentment, and resilience. So maybe for these two words, look at dictionary. I understand when English is a language, we have challenges. But I think other than these, you have all the great what it takes to be a great speaker, and I'm looking forward to have a great connection with you. Thank you.
Thank you for this valuable feedback, and I'm going to improve the areas which you have highlighted. And thank you for everything. The way you have highlighted my positive points and the way you explained the where I need to improve, it is going to be very helpful. So once again, thank you.
Right. One more thing, Hira, like I'm not your evaluator, but I felt like that was from, let me open my camera first. I felt that was from deep of your heart, and it touched me, and it touched all of us. So we sincerely appreciate whatever you are doing for this. You are trying to come up with your presentation. Your preparation is really good, and we are so happy that you are making up to the mark, and trying to be a better speaker all the time, and using all the good listening skills.
I would like to share one thing.
Yes.
I have written it more than 20 pages.
On this, yeah, I feel like your research was pretty good, and especially the acronym when you started off mother. I think I got the 4 words, 4 letters right. One I missed somehow, but I will get back to you on that.
Okay.
Sorry, Pallavi had some announcement to make, so I can tell her, and she can go ahead. Go ahead, Pallavi, and convey all the announcement, whatever you have, or else I can do it for you if you want.
Ajay, it would be great if you will do that, because I am facing a lot of
okay, you can hear me, right?
So in between getting disconnected, so it is like slow.
All right. Okay. I would be happy to do that. So to begin with, guys, I know I have been trying to be not very kind. I would say I think you all deserve a great respect for all the commitment you have shown so far in the last 2 months. So I sincerely thank you for that, and I am so grateful for all of you for all the great works you are doing, and you are trying to improve yourself, irrespective of what's going on the other parts of world with COVID-19 and also. A sincere thanks to you. And to talk about like our vision a little bit on that, because we have some time left for today. We have got a feedback form from Asutosh. Asutosh is not here today, and he didn't inform me why he's not coming. So I'll talk to him later. We got some feedback from Asutosh, and I don't know whether it is him or it is you guys. I felt I could have expected a little bit of descriptive feedback rather than just one-liners, So I have to talk to him and understand what went wrong. Why he could not get descriptive feedback. So that is the one thing where if we have to reach again to you guys, we will try to reach to give you the heads up. And we again thank you for taking your time and spending time with him and giving some valuable feedback. Definitely I had a call with Pallavi yesterday. That was during my lunch hour, and we had some great discussion to help this group going forward. So I'm working on it, and I can probably tell you that I will take you to the right path. I will take it to the right path. The third thing was as we are in level 3, and this is the time for work for us to work really hard to understand where we are lagging and how group can be beneficial to us. So I'm planning to set up some time to first kind of address those areas. So for example, some of you have mentioned that fundamentals are not good. I totally understand that. For example, others, Raj, or Deepak Raj, those were the some of the comments from them. So what we will do is try to organize those topics, and for example, others Raj is having problem with fundamentals, so we will come up with 1 or 2 sessions to help him with fundamentals. But it does not, we are not restricting our audience group. You are most welcome. If you would like to understand the fundamentals, then you can join that meeting as well. Similarly, for some of you, fluency is the problem, or language is the problem. So I'm also working on that, trying to come up with some plan. So you'll be hearing very soon from me. And that was the third thing. Fourth thing is all the videos are uploaded on YouTube channel. So we kindly request you to go there and watch those videos and understand. When you watch your own video, you will understand all the mistakes you are doing and how you can improve yourself to move to the next level. And if you feel that there is something you would require our help, we are certainly glad to help you with that. So that was the fourth thing. Fifth thing is, as Pallavi has already mentioned, that some of the speakers will be moved to Saturday, and some of us will be presenting on Sunday. So that is the plan we have for going forward. And again, I would like to convey thanks to 2 people here. I think Pallavi is the one. I would like to convey a big thanks to her for the way she's trying to help me with everything. I had a struggle with the time zone, and she has been very cooperative. So I would request all of you to have a big round of applause for her, so that she feels appreciative with what she for same for Asutosh and Sakti Sagar. Sakti Sagar is here, Asutosh is not here. He is also doing some good work. So again, same big round of applause for him as well. So that was the fifth thing. And the last but not the least, we are trying our best to come up with some good plans. And again, if you give a lot of back, right, then we understand what else you need. Like, we have a plan, we have a vision, right? But we have to understand what are your expectations, right? So that is where we would like to come up with some more plans. I had 2 plans for that. I'm trying to schedule an interview just myself with all of you, and that is going to be pretty intense. That is not going to be hi, hello, and for 10-15 minutes. Probably I will block at least 1 hour in everybody's calendar. And I'm not going to block. It's your duty to ask me which days you are available, because I cannot make 8 hours on Saturday because I have other commitments, right? So you have to say that what is the best for you, and what days works best for you, so that we can schedule half an hour on 1 hour, or kind of like feedback session to understand more descriptive need from us, and so that so that is the ultimate thing, because that is the hi, we have a guest here, so I would like to welcome the guest as well.
Come say hi.
So that is the ultimate thing. We are doing really great, and I'm sharing a lot of good things in group. I don't know how many of you are like actively following the group, but there is a lot going on. So if you are following it, I sincerely appreciate it. If not, then try to follow it. It's for your benefit. And again, we are on the right track, and we are doing everything.
Sorry to interrupt, Ajay. I would like to remind that please share that idea also, that we are going to upload an Excel sheet where people can they can come up and they can say that they wanted to present on the next week in this. Yeah,
Right,
please.
right. Thanks, Pallavi. So yeah, sorry, I don't know how I missed it. Right now, we were giving you the roles or we were asking you whether you are ready to present or not. But now it's your duty to come up and say that I'm ready to present. So we will upload an Excel sheet with the agenda, and that will be pretty open. So if you feel like next week you want to speak, right, go ahead and write your name so that we know that you are going to present, and that will give an opportunity for others to come up, right, with a different role. So thanks, Pallavi, that was a good call out. And share your email address on WhatsApp group and watch all the videos, follow the blogs, those are really great, and keep up all the good work, whatever you are doing. I mean, learn from everybody over here. I mean, but what I feel is, when you come for this meeting, be very open, be very receptive. There is no need of trying to like satisfy your own ego or something. I mean, when we are coming as a group, you have to keep your ego aside. Sometimes I feel like that, and I know like everybody has that kind of like a little bit of ego, but I don't have personally. I had like in the past, but I was like when I was like Raj, but I have since I have traveled a lot in the life and I have seen a lot, so I feel like when you come for the meeting, keep those personal egos aside, and be a good listener, and try to understand from everybody. I think everybody has something great to offer. For example, the way Pallavi presented today, and Hira or Deepak Raj, right? So that is what, and understand that this is not 1 hour meeting. I reinforce again and again. I'm investing a lot of time and energy in that, outside of my commitments. So I need some cooperation from your end as well, so that we can move forward to the next level. Anything I have missed?
Yeah, and I would like to add something. Yeah, I would like to add one thing, that for the next, if you want to speak on Saturday, or if you want now, because now everybody is not shared their email IDs, and it will take time to do the implementation of the Excel sheet. So whoever wanted to present on the next day, they can message me, okay, that on the next weekend they want to present, because
Right.
from the last Saturday also we had time. Today also one presenter missed. So you can message me that, okay, I want to present. Then only I can assign, because that Excel sheet is going to take time. So after this meeting also you can message me that for the next, it will be a first come first serve service, that
Right, right.
whoever is
Sure.
going to message me
Sure.
firstly.
Yeah, I was about to ask the same question that where the Excel sheet has been uploaded. But yeah, I would like to present next week. So you
Awesome.
can add me, or I can also message you.
Exactly.
Pallavi.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. uh, I was planning to just invite you in this meeting itself, but mostly you are having some work issues on the Saturday. So if you will tell me your availability before, so I can finalize things
Exactly.
appropriately. Yeah.
Right, right. You
Yeah,
can ask Pallavi
sure.
how difficult it is for
Hmm.
to communicate when she's in a different time zone and I'm in a different time zone.
Yeah, and
I can
sometimes it feels that see presenter is not present, and the last Sunday also people are not prepared. In the last Sunday only Nilesh sir was prepared with his speech. So if you will message me, then it will be helpful for me also and for you as well. That I
Right.
can assign,
definitely.
okay, who are interested, they are going to speak.
And that too, like our vision is quite broad at this point. And Zach is I had a conversation with Zach. He's bringing some more participant, right? So we make sure that we are well
Correct.
prepared and we give a best impression of ourselves, right? Because we are representing our
Yeah.
so if we are not,
Ajay,
you know
Ajay,
uh-huh.
you were saying about the dress code.
Yeah, and one more thing, guys. What we are planning, and we would like to get your feedback. I think we still have 3-4 more minutes to go for today. So we are planning to have a formal dress code for this meeting. And please let me know. Speak out if anybody has any concern that formal is difficult, or or maybe less formal or business casual. We are pretty open to it. If anybody has concerns with the formal, then we would like to understand at this point, right? Because before proposing something, I'm not a leader that who will come and he will say, hey, like, hey, you do this. I mean, I'll suggest what is the best way, but it's up to you what you want to do. And we will
No, actually, it's a great idea. I mean, I vouch for this idea.
awesome. Anybody
It's really great.
anybody is against this idea, or that formal will be too much, or will not be able to, dress up in the formal? No?
I think everyone is agree with this idea.
Thanks, Hira. Yeah, and maybe Pallavi, you can drop a message on WhatsApp group saying that formal is going to be a dress code from our next meeting. So in that way, like we are well prepared, and we are,
Yeah. And everybody should follow this because now the videos are getting uploaded on YouTube.
correct.
And as
Yeah, yeah.
Ajay said, that Jack is bringing 3-4 more Americans. So it should be like a professional group. We are here only for 1 hour. So it should be
Right.
more
And
professional and everybody should give their 100%.
I know that I'm not trying to ask question on anybody attire or anybody etiquettes or anybody appearance, but guys, when you go for presentation, that matters a lot. The way you groom yourself, like I know that you have a big habit of having a big hair or big beard. Those are fine, but you should be presentable enough because like we have guests, and that time when you are in a normal like sweatshirt or a t-shirt, that will not give a good presentation, because these Americans, they will never tell you that how they feel. They will smile and everything will go away. But we don't want to lose any relationship, right? Because of one
Correct.
and all. I mean, that is how I think Sakti should understand that that point at least, right, Sakti? Sakti?
Yeah, Ajay.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, Ajay.
So that was, I think, kind of gist of it for level 3. And for level 3, we are thinking a little bit above communication. So for example, I had a plan to kind of come up with dining etiquettes, right? When you are eating, then how you should be eating, like those things will dining etiquettes, or how you should talk over food, those things. So I was thinking at that level. But after seeing people, they are like writing etiquettes. They are writing the masses hi. So I feel like we are not ready for it at this point. Correct, Sakti?
Yes, Ajay.
Yeah. So
Yeah, definitely. We all are here for our overall development.
exactly.
So it is not only communication that we are speaking a very good English, but all other things in which we are lacking.
Correct. Sakti, can you tell what you learned this morning? Can you share with this group?
Just
Oh my goodness.
hello, Ajay.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Just can you repeat the question actually?
Like,
voice.
what did you learn today, this morning, about writing etiquettes?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, what did you learn about?
Hello. Yeah. Yes. Same three important things. That you should be always polite, persistent, and you should be humble, and you should always keep yourself in others' shoes, right?
Right.
Something that are three things that author has talked about: polite, patient, and persistent. That is very life.
Yeah, those are the good ones, but I was expecting a different answer from you.
And
But that's all right.
you can bring your emotions as well. Sometimes we do things that we already know that we are doing in that particular certain things, and that are wrong. But we make our mind to think that we make a illogical reasoning that is particular is good. And third thing, that ego in each person individual sense of self. So we must honor throughout the process of winning without intimidation.
Right. Some great call outs, Sakti. But one thing is for sure for all of you who are new to messaging. When you message somebody, don't write hi. Just like when you are messaging
Yeah,
on the
right.
what?
No, I was going to tell that that whenever we ping someone, so we should ping hi and with his name, because that makes other person feel important, that you are respecting him. Right? That is very important. You should.
Yeah,
I told you that self-respect is very important.
sure. I think those were some great call outs, Sakti. And I think we are right on the time.
think that Nilesh sir,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I think that Nilesh sir has also read that and what he learned from this particular chapter, like winning without intimidation.
I see. I see.
Yeah, I mean, I just started this book and I could only finish one chapter. I was thinking of finishing at least half of the, book by today itself, but I could do that. Might be my
Mm-hmm.
speed is a little slow, and I was a little involved with household things
I
because of
see.
the some other commitment. But yeah, that was one message I could get from chapter one, and it's really great to implement in our life that we human beings act out of emotions, not logic. So it says a lot of things that whenever we make any decision in our life, so most of the time, not most of the time, the author was saying that 90% of the time it is based on our emotions. I mean, just observe and just think of any major decisions you have taken in your life. Those were not taken by your rational thinking. You didn't, apply your logical sense. It was just based on your emotional if just because of your emotions at that time you took that decision. So it is the best thing. Whenever you have any argument, it is not just because of any logic. It is just because of your you want to put your ego up on anybody. So it's a very good message I got. Because if we just we interact with someone and we have an argument and we try to show our attitude up, so it is not going to help us. There are only, I mean, in every event or every interactions there are two choices. If there is an argument, that you can make others down or you can put yourself up, right? So it is not gonna help in any way. There should be a win-win situation that if you respect others, you would be able to make others do what you want, and at the same time, others will also do it respectfully and gladly. So that was the good message actually.
Thank you, Nilesh, and thank you, Sakti. I think we are right on the time, and as I said, it was a great book. I finished last night at 11:53 p.m. So still, I finished on Friday itself. 220 pages, a great book, and I have made some great notes. And what I was planning is to write a blog, a really nice blog for the action points, right? To simplify and break it down so that you can implement those practically in life each and every day. I'm going to probably sit this afternoon or this evening to write a nice blog, and once I have, I will share with you. I would request to go through it and learn a lot. There's a lot to learn in that, book probably. And I have got some really great notes. Actually, it is sitting on my book, and I just have to write a blog on that. Pallavi, you have anything or else? I mean, to you, are you there still? Are you there still? I think she's having some bad pretty.
Audio issue. Yeah.
Can you hear me, Pallavi? Can you hear me, Sakti?
Yeah,
Or बाप रे. Pallavi,
laptop and using hotspot. The
Pallavi, can
mobile
you hear
is
us? Pallavi, can you hear us?
Yeah, Ajay, I can hear you.
Yeah. So, like, if you have anything you can add, or it's on you, or we can end this meeting because we are done.
You were missing, and I had
Like, if you can, if you don't mind, can you write in chat?
Ajay, so actually say it's facing
Can you write in chat? That would be
type
really
in chat.
helpful. Yeah, type in chat whatever you want to convey, because we are running out of time, and you know, we're gonna have to go. Can you do it really quick? God bless you guys. So, guys, I will let everybody go, and if she is having some message, I will ask her to share in WhatsApp group. All right.
Okay, sir.
Sure, Ajay. Great meeting.
Chalo.
Thanks,
See you
everyone.
guys, and yeah, bye bye.
Sure.
Ajay,
Yeah.
one request. When are you uploading more videos to the YouTube channel?
Good question. It takes lots and lots of time to upload this video, you know. And trust me, guys, I'm trying my best to do everything for this group. So I think
Right.
right now you have enough videos to watch. To be honest with you, there are
I have watched all of them.
all of them. Cool. I will upload it tonight probably. I don't have. I'm planning to like take.
And I have also edited my speech and share it in my YouTube channel and my status also.
Awesome, awesome. So I will upload the remaining ones. Probably I cannot commit you that tonight. I will try. All right. And
Okay.
I will let
Thank
everybody
you.
go right now. Enjoy this evening. Bye.
And please do remember to message me, because see how Kundan is. Kundan already messaged me now only that he want to be a presenter for the next meeting.
Right.
Yes, yes.
Good, Kundan. Good job. I will let everybody go right now. And if we have some announcement, you will hear on WhatsApp group. Chalo, see you guys. Bye bye.